Hiya everyone, how am you all? Welcome back to English with Richard. Today I'm unpacking one of the oldest and most ominous idioms still in use in English today. The writing on the wall. What does it mean? Where does it come from? And how can you use it naturally in conversation? Well, let's dive in. What does it mean? The writing on the wall means a clear sign that something bad or unavoidable is about to happen. It's a warning you can't ignore. Example, when the company lost its biggest client, we all saw the writing on the wall. The origin and history. This phrase goes all the way back to the 6th century BC in the book of Daniel in the Old Testament. The story context. During a lavish feast thrown by King Belshazzar of Babylon, a mysterious hand appeared and wrote a cryptic message on the palace wall. The terrified king called for Daniel, who interpreted the message. It predicted Belshazzar's downfall and the fall of his kingdom, which happened that very night. The exact phrase in the Bible, mene, mene, tekel, upharsin. I hope I pronounced that correctly. Daniel translated as, your kingdom is numbered and finished. Over time, the writing on the wall became a way of describing any warning sign of inevitable disaster. A fun fact. It's one of the very few idioms still in everyday use that comes straight from ancient scripture. Let's bring this to life with a quick story. Fiona worked at a small bookstore in town. One by one, shops on her street were closing, replaced by big retail chains. When the old cafe next door shut its doors, she saw the writing on the wall. 2 months later, a supermarket opened and Sarah had to close too. She'd known it was coming. A final thought. So whenever you spot those early warning signs of trouble, you can say, I see the writing is on the wall. Do you know a moment in your life when you saw the writing was on the wall? Share it in the comments. I'd love to hear your stories. Well, I hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please like and leave a comment on what you liked best. Well, I'll see you on the flip side. Ta-ra a bit.